The Instagram hashtag algorithm is designed to organize and display relevant content to users based on their interests. Here's how it works. Content association. When you post a photo or video with hashtags, Instagram's algorithm analyzes the content and associates it with the hashtags you used. It looks for keywords, context, and other factors to determine the relevance of the content to specific hashtags. Hashtag popularity. Instagram considers the popularity and engagement of hashtags. Hashtags that are frequently used and have high engagement rates are more likely to be shown to a wider audience. This encourages users to discover popular content and engage with it. User preferences. Instagram's algorithm also takes into account a user's past behavior, including the hashtags they have interacted with, liked, or searched for. It uses this information to personalize the hashtag recommendations and show content that aligns with a user's interests. Timeliness. The timing of your post can impact hashtag visibility. Instagram prioritizes recent and fresh content to keep the platform dynamic. Therefore, if you use trending or timely hashtags, your content has a higher chance of being seen by users searching or following those hashtags. Engagement. The algorithm considers engagement metrics such as likes, comments, and shares. Higher engagement on a post using specific hashtags signals relevance and popularity, potentially leading to increased visibility in the hashtag feed.